Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI, and I just love my new handles.
We recently painted our cabinets and we're looking for a really traditional but modern handle to go on the cabinets, and I found the perfect one. These are the Khtumeware 3 3/4 cup pulls in the color champagne bronze, and we got the 10 pack. And I have just been so pleased of how they look. They really made my kitchen look very modern. Also, the finish is really pretty. It's like a satin finish, not too shiny or not too matte. I found that it like glistens in the light, just a really pretty color that I just think that looks amazing in my kitchen. Me and my husband installed these cabinet pulls ourselves, and it was relatively easy. It's nice that they come with two sets of screws, so it can fit either a thicker or a thinner cabinet width. I found that adding these cabinet pulls really just updated my kitchen, and it gave it a whole new look, a finished, modern look that I was looking for. The cabinet pulls are really packaged really considerately as well, so they were in foam and in plastic, so there's no risk of scratching. So if you're looking for cabinet pulls, definitely check these out, and I highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.